Meaning of electrocution.
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 Electrocution. Electrocution refers to the act of being killed or severely injured by an electric shock. When a person is electrocuted, an electrical current passes through their body, which can cause severe damage to organs, tissues, and nerves. The severity of the injury depends on factors such as the strength of the current, the duration of exposure, and the path the electricity takes through the body. In extreme cases, electrocution can result in cardiac arrest, respiratory failure, burns, and even death. Therefore, it is essential to take adequate precautions when working with electricity to avoid such risks.